the gift that you gave me.
On behalf of entire EAS family, I would like to wish and congratulate all the mothers of EAS community and all around the world on this very auspicious occasion of International Mother's Day. Mothers, you are the first guide and teachers who inculcate values among the kids to be a responsible citizen of the nation. Once again, a very congratulations on this auspicious occasion. Thank you.
I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. I love my mother. Why? Because she takes care of me whenever I'm sick. So whenever she's sick, also I take care of her. That's why we love each other. Happy Mother's Day.
During Mother's Day, I hope every mother has an amazing day and for everything done for us. I wish for every mother to have a nice Mother's Day. I wish every mother has an amazing day on Mother's Day.
Thanks for your kind heart, my beautiful mommy, inside and out. Just want to say that I love you. You are my best friend, now and forever. I am so thankful, Mom.
أحبك يا أمي. أحبك يا أمي كثيرا. نحن ياسين نسوي حق Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mommy.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah?
أنا أحبك يا ماما.
Huh?
أنا أحبك. Happy Mother's Day. The mom is the best in the whole world, and she lives me like her, and she always says for me for everything.
Happy Mother's Day!